Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make whole chicken baked in the oven and also roasted. So if you're interested in learning how I made this delicious whole chicken in the oven, please keep watching. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please subscribe, turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you're not going to miss out. And also drop your comment and thumbs up this video. Thank you so much as you do so. Let's get started. We're making roast chicken, so the first ingredients is whole chicken, which I bought £2.49. So I'm going to open it and clean the chicken. When I'm making chicken like this, I like to clean my chicken like 2 to 3 times, which I'm going to be doing in this video. And to help me clean the chicken, I use lime. You can also use lemon, but I prefer using lime. So the process of cleaning the chicken is me using the lime. You see what is coming out of the chicken, you don't want that. So I'm going to be making sure that I take out all the feathers, the sliminess, anything that I don't want in that chicken. I have to clean and wash. After cleaning the chicken with the lime, making sure that I take out all the feathers, scrubbing the skin, this is what the water looks like. So now I'm going to throw that water and get a clean water and continue cleaning and washing the chicken. As I said, I'm going to be doing this 3 times to make sure that the chicken is well clean. To be making the sauce that I'm going to use to rub all over the chicken. I have my pan in a medium high. To that I'm adding nice. So next I'm going to be adding tomato that I blended. In this blend I have 1 can of chopped tomato, paprika, 1 onion and scotch bonnet. Please check the description box. I'm going to list all the ingredients that I use in making this whole chicken. To season the sauce, I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of dry thyme and 1 teaspoon of minced herb, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika. Remember that I used the fresh one to blend the tomato, and 2 teaspoons of chicken seasoning. Then I'm going to be adding some salt for taste, After that, I'm going to mix until it's well combined. After mixing it together, next I'm going to be adding some bay leaf, then I'm going to be adding some black pepper. Then mix it together until it's well combined. With this sauce, I'm going to allow it fry for 5 minutes. Then I'm going to turn the heat and allow it to cool down completely before I use it. What I like about this sauce is that apart from using it to rub the chicken and also marinate the chicken, with this sauce you can also use it and mix your potato. You can use the leftover and even make your jollof rice. It's like 3 in 1. Next, with a kitchen towel, I'm going to use to dry up the excess water in the chicken before rubbing the chicken with the sauce. After that, I'm going to take the sauce and rub around the chicken, in, out, under the skin. I'm going to make sure that the chicken is well coated with the sauce. So you can see me rubbing the sauce all around the chicken, in, out, under the skin. Please, you have to make sure that you do that. I transfer to another pan, which I'm going to wrap with a cling film. Then I'm going to allow this rest for 24 hours next day. So this is next day now. So I'm going to open the chicken. You can see that the chicken has absorbed some of the sauce. So next step is to bake in the oven. Transfer the chicken to a baking tray. Next, I'm going to be putting some fresh thyme into the chicken. This is optional, but I like the flavor that comes out of the fresh thyme. After baking the chicken, I'm going to take out the fresh thyme. So next, I'm going to put the chicken into the oven, the whole chicken, and I'm going to be baking this 180 degrees Celsius for 1 hour. Then I will change the setting of the oven to grill for 15 minutes. Next, I have peeled potato and I'm scooping 2 tablespoons of the sauce into the potato. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of light olive oil, add some salt for taste. With a wooden spoon, I'm going to mix this together. To mix it together until it's well combined, and with the sauce added to the potato is going to make it taste really nice. So I'm using the same leftover sauce. So I'm going to be adding this to the chicken after baking the chicken for 40 minutes and continue baking. This is the chicken straight from the oven. With this, you want to allow it cool down 10 to 15 minutes before you dig into it. This was so yummy. And remember, I baked for 1 hour, then grill for 15 minutes. You can see how the top is looking like I did it in the charcoal. That's what I want, you know, that smoky taste. Yes, but the inside was so moist. This was so yummy. Please try this recipe, and if you do, tag me on Instagram, Continental Food and Cake. You can also tag me on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're new here, you can see the way I'm turning it. Oh my god, this tasted so yummy. Do not forget to check the description box for more information on the ingredients that I use in making this. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe and turn your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video like this, you're not going to miss out. Do not forget to follow me on Instagram. Yes, I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.